Now it is the third part. We will start. This is the text. On the left side is the text and right side image. So we have taken two columns with 7 and 8. This one is text and this one is image. So we can add the text accordingly. So this text is coming from the same the first one. So we will copy that one. If you take this container, copy, and just paste it here, remove the text here. Here the button, if we check here, the size is 190 pixel. That's why it is coming here. If we put like the same as the top one, 800 pixel, so I think this could be good. Okay, so it is going, make it to fill. So right now it is coming look like this, and the below text we have to do the HTML code. So we have to put an HTML section. Custom code section here, and the second part we have done with the custom code. If I show you the code, this is the simple code, the HTML CSS, and I have put the opacity and font family, then the position, and this one. So this section is the second section, the 01 section we have to put. So later on when we have connecting to the second another container, we will make it to number 2, and this section we just reverse to the first one. Then it is coming like that, and the full container will give some padding, margin top, so it will be some, it looks like that. So we have to add the text here, then it is complete. So in this way we have to make these 3 columns, and the next one we will see how to add the footer. Thank you.